Probably Rockness 2011. The Lock's just over there. Sound of Guns are about to do an exclusive acoustic performance and a signing for all their fans out there. So we couldn't miss it. Here it is. We've just had an amazing acoustic set from Sound of Guns. I hear you guys have been in the studio recently. What's been going on?
Finished our second album, as yet untitled, but yeah, we just got a copy of it back yesterday and it sounds amazing.
Fantastic. So as yet untitled, have you got any ideas of what you potentially might call it?
I was thinking about naming it after myself, really. I don't know what these would think about that though.
You're not into that,
I'm not really into that now.
We've all got pages of ideas, and at the top of everybody's page is their own name. I think we should call it Lee.
Fantastic. Well, boys, I've noted that you're all wearing, bar you, Lee. You're all wearing some amazing spectacles, and I'm not gonna. You've got them. Pop them on because I'm about to show you the new trend, as it were, and you're gonna have to fight for them.
Not semi-mad, it's throwbacks. I love the case. Oh wow.
Okay. Right. What colour do we want?
Mix and match.
A bit of mix and match.
Yeah, go on.
Orange,
Green and red.
green and red. Right. All right. 3D. I like it. They are. Yeah. These are. Top of the range festivals.
Wow.
So, who's going to do the honours? Go on then.
I'm not the better of them, eh?
It's like American lesbian.
You actually look alright on you, man.
Yeah.
You look alright.
I feel so much better with them on. It makes the whole day look a lot sunnier. Yeah.
Look at this. It's kind of life-changing, guys. What do we think?
Whoa.
It's John Lennon.
We're hoping that it's not going to rain. Is it your first time at Rockness?
It is.
And what do we think of the location?
It's probably the best looking festival I've ever been to. Like,
Best looking festival?
I'll throw it out there. Yeah, the best looking festival I've ever been to.
I'll agree with you on that one. It's won a lot of awards recently.
I haven't seen Nessie yet though.
I know. Have you seen him?
Crawling out of her brother's tent this morning. Yeah.
Bit of a heavy
Getting
night,
back in, yeah. Getting back in the lake and all that, man.